when you're in high school, everyone asks you, what do you want to be when you grow up? This program is designed to teach our youth and our community about non-traditional career fields. We need police officers. We need investigators. We need critical thinkers that work in forensic science to be able to help solve crimes, to prosecute cases. And so we teach them that there are multiple fields that could be related to the coroner's office or death adjacent that they could probably pursue if given the exposure. Critical thinking is the biggest skill that these students will learn, getting them to not only see what is in front of them, but to think beyond that, to think beyond what is presented right in front of you. They realize all of the pieces of the puzzle that must be put together in order to solve cause of death and manner of death for a situation.
I recently graduated from High School, and so I plan to attend Savannah State University and major in forensic science and a minor in criminal justice. It's kind of amazing, I would say, to be able to experience the hands-on things, putting together the crime scene, making the story. It's very unique, and I feel like everybody should have that experience if they want to go into this field.